For more than a decade, GoPro wasn't just another gadget. It became the face of action cameras, a name almost synonymous with adventure. Whether strapped to a snowboard slicing down icy slopes, fixed to a surfboard tackling massive waves, or clipped to a helmet during a cliff dive, the GoPro Hero was everywhere. People trusted it because it was small, tough, and delivered video quality that looked far better than its size suggested. But as the years passed, the story shifted. While competitors like DJI and Insta360 pushed boundaries with bigger sensors, smarter software, and new design ideas, GoPro seemed to slow down. Updates felt modest, and innovation didn't carry the same spark it once had. Now, with the rumored GoPro Hero 14 Black expected to arrive around September 2025, anticipation is building. Can this be the camera that restores GoPro's reputation as the leader of the action camera world? Is it the breakthrough that fans have been waiting for? Today on Technify, we're breaking down every key rumor, upgrade, and possible feature that could make the Hero 14 the most exciting GoPro in years. The headline rumor surrounding the GoPro Hero 14 Black is the possible jump to a 1-inch sensor. This isn't just a small technical detail. It's a meaningful change. A larger sensor captures more light, which leads to better clarity, richer color depth, and stronger detail in shadows and highlights. This is especially important for action cameras because they're often used in less than ideal lighting. Think about hiking at twilight, diving into caves, or filming indoors with minimal lighting. These are the situations where a larger sensor could make a huge difference. Instead of pushing for higher and higher resolutions that most users don't even need, GoPro may finally be shifting toward overall image quality. That's a smart move, and it could help set the Hero 14 apart. Beyond the sensor, another area to watch is the interface. Rumors suggest an edge-to-edge rear screen, bigger, brighter, and easier to see. This would not only make framing shots more accurate, but also make it easier to change settings on the fly. Vloggers, solo creators, and everyday users would all benefit from a cleaner, more intuitive interface. In addition, redesigned physical controls may be part of the package. Instead of navigating menus, quick access buttons for switching modes or starting a recording instantly would help capture moments that don't wait around. For action shooters, that can be the difference between getting the shot and missing it. Thermal issues have been a sore spot for previous GoPro models. Both the Hero 11 and Hero 12 were criticized for overheating during long sessions, especially in warmer environments. The Hero 14 could address this with a brand new processor, possibly the GP3, paired with an improved heat dissipation system like an integrated heatsink. Better thermal control would mean longer recording times, fewer shutdowns, and more reliable performance when it matters most. Plus, a new processor could also bring gains in stabilization, faster image processing, and smarter AI-driven features. Battery life is always a balance in small devices. While the Hero 13 introduced the Enduro battery for better endurance, the Hero May 14th go even further. Speculation points to a higher capacity cell working together with the efficient new processor. This could translate into longer shooting sessions, especially useful for people who film outdoors or in remote areas where recharging isn't easy. What makes this even more interesting is how GoPro will balance all these improvements while keeping the camera compact and rugged. The durability of GoPro is part of its DNA, and fans will expect the Hero 14 to maintain that. Competitors aren't standing still. DJI's Osmo Action line already offers large sensors, and Insta360 continues to innovate with software and modular approaches. GoPro can't afford to deliver small updates this time. It needs a leap. To be fair, the Hero 13 did bring steady refinements like GPS tracking, better stabilization, and improved thermal handling. While some dismissed it as the same as before, loyal users noticed those details. The Hero 14 now has the chance to go beyond refinements and deliver something bold. For those already invested in GoPro gear, the Hero 14 could be the perfect upgrade path. Mounts, batteries, and accessories will still work, so the transition should be smooth. The real question is whether the Hero 14 will be the comeback model that reminds everyone why GoPro defined the action camera category in the first place. So, is the GoPro Hero 14 Black worth waiting for? Based on what we know so far, it looks like this could be the model that finally brings GoPro back into the spotlight. If the 1-inch sensor becomes a reality, paired with stronger thermal management, a smarter processor, and better usability features like an edge-to-edge display and redesigned controls, then we're looking at a camera that feels less like an incremental update and more like a true leap forward. It could silence the critics, take on rivals head-to-head, and remind creators why GoPro built its reputation as the ultimate adventure camera. But here's the truth. You don't need to wait for tomorrow to start creating. If your current camera works, keep using it to capture the stories that matter now. Technology will always evolve, but experiences don't wait for release dates. If the Hero 14 delivers on the rumors, it will be a fantastic upgrade when the time is right. Until then, focus on what you can create today. Thanks for watching Technify. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the latest gear. Until next time, keep exploring, keep filming, and keep sharing your adventures.